Welcome! In this quick tip video, we will show you how to switch between flat gaskets or O-rings in Viking pumps with the ProPort casing. The bracket, head, and ports will each have a flat gasket or O-ring for sealing. Depending on application requirements, users can switch between these elastomers as needed. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information. A copy of the latest revision can be found at vikingpump.com. To switch between flat gaskets or O-rings between pump sections, the pump will need to be disassembled and the old gaskets or O-rings removed from the head and bracket. For complete disassembly instructions, please watch this video with complete instructions. When reassembling, ensure the sealing surfaces are clean and free of debris. As you reassemble the pump, install an O-ring or gasket into the grooves on the bracket and head. Use O-ring lubricant for O-rings and gasket sealant for gaskets. When the pump is reassembled, you can swap elastomers between the ports and casing as well. Remove the flanges and discard the gasket or O-ring from the casing. Ensure the sealing surfaces near the casing ports are clean and free of debris. Install an O-ring or gasket into the groove on the casing. Align the flange on the casing and install each cap screw finger tight. Then, fully tighten each bolt, moving in a star pattern. Finally, torque each cap screw to the appropriate torque setting. This setting can be found in the technical service manual. Repeat for the second flange. Your pump now has new elastomers on the head, bracket, and ports, and is ready to be put back into service. For more information or for other service videos, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.